music. Dance to the music of the ancestors.
No music.
No, but man, do what on you? Oh man. Oh. Yes. About the buzz here. The crack team balls, the boss of the crack team. My people, my friends, followers, party faithfuls, I want to thank you for your support so far. I want to thank you for your commitment. I want to thank you for standing tall. Our governor, the masses governor, the technocrat governor, the wake-and-see governor, the noiseless governor, the Otokinado governor, the Ematon one of Edo State politics. I want to thank you, I want to salute you. We are almost there. Like I told you some months ago, I said, forget the noise from this proscribed EPM people. I said, Edo 2020 is going to be the freest election in Edo State. It's going to be the freest. Because the only thing we hear in Edo today is Obaseki. It's going to be the freest. Now, the people that said they will do this, they will do that, today they're already towing the line of peace. Just this morning, we received another publication that the disgruntled, stranded 14
Member select. Member select.
No, see, absentee elect. Are they still members elect?
X.
They are S members elect. Their seat has been declared vacant. That they are now ready for inauguration. And as you all know, I used this platform in the past to call on Edo people to advise these desperados, 14 desperados. In fact, let's call them 12 because 2 out of the 14 were actually inaugurated, but they were deceived by their co-absentee S members elect. They were deceived. People like Uye Cosway and Barrister Okaka from Onwa. Uye from Okaka from Onwa East. Uye from Oredo East. They were deceived. I personally called Uye. I called Uye. I said, Uye Cosway, what are you doing in Abuja? He said, Albert, don't worry. When I come to Benin, I want us to see. I said, no, let's talk on the phone. Let's talk on the phone. What are you doing in Abuja? Have you not been inaugurated? He said, this is that. He was making noise. I said, man, you are beginning to sound like Okabe. You are beginning to sound like what's those people? What are you doing there? Comrade Adam Soshomole accused the governor of supporting you against Osaro Baze. Osaro Baze accused the governor that the governor is supporting you against his own ambition. Now, what are you doing there? He said, this I said, no wahala. I said, but take this to the bank. Governor Baseki will not lose this battle. You people cannot impeach him, and another proclamation letter will not be issued. I said, he said, bros, don't worry. He said, don't worry. He said, don't worry. Today, the people that used to organize press conference, spend millions of naira to call channels, call AIT, call TVC, they are now begging to be inaugurated. But because the matter is already in court. They took the speaker and the Edo State House was able to court. Now, Obaseki cannot tell the speaker and say, go and inaugurate them. It's not possible. The speaker that cannot call them and say, come for inauguration. The matter is already before a court of competent jurisdiction. If they took the matter to court, they took the were saying the governor must. They were not even saying the governor should. They were even saying the governor should issue another proclamation letter. They were saying he must. Say he must. So they took the Edo Assembly to court. Now it is the court that will give that ruling, that will give the judgment to say, Speaker inaugurated. The Speaker cannot do it now. The Speaker cannot do it now. He can't. He can't do it now. No Superman politics. Politics is all about negotiation and consultation. No Superman. No Superman. What we told you people that Edo is not Lagos. Ambode is not Opasek. Importers were noisemakers and were jokers. And some people say we don't know politics. The most annoying they will say Herbert is a baby politician. Herbert is a this one. Look at see Herbert today now. See we Herbert rich now. You don't need to be in politics for 20 years to be relevant. All you need in politics is sincerity of purpose and be hardworking. Stand for what you believe in. Now, what you don't help me, and I want to tell people every day, if you are with Mr. A, you have no reason to go and sit with Mr. B and be discussing. You have nothing to discuss. Focus. Stand firm with Mr. A. Do everything possible to deliver Mr. A. Even Mr. B will be telling his own people. I know Shomole will, Adams Shomole, Comrade Adams Shomole, the national chairman of our party. I know us in the world is because they tried to pull me. They tried to pull me to their EPM camp. But from the beginning, I told ask BC down me. The last time she called me, she was like, I should send her my name and maybe any of my followers. And she wants to buy off a business class to Abuja. I said no. I said if I come to Abuja, people like Simon will not allow me to see a comrade. I said before now, when I wanted to do my wedding, I wanted to send an invitation. Simon said, why you want to send invitation to comrade? The same comrade that you said. I said, my brother, we have passed there. Now I want to do wedding. It's normal for me to invite him. He come, he not come. He said, no, I believe so. He said, make a soft copy. I know so you go trash her. He said, but I'm telling you, your matter was raised yesterday. That was busy talking. Your matter was raised yesterday. I will take it to comrade. And I told her, I know BC is always watching my video. I told her, I said, madam, I said, it's too late. I said, I have taken a position and I am ready to stand firm and I will not take a neutral position. She was like, okay, if you don't want to see comrade, let us, I will take you to Mr. Niyi Adebayo, I will take you to El-Rufai. Let's use your platform to drive reconciliation, drive peace. I said, no, I'm not a coward. I can't sit on the fence. I'm not the one to tell governors to go and reconcile with the national chairman. No. It's the governor that will come and say, or call and say, no, Abba, please. No, it's not me. Once I see body language, once it's not happy, I will fight. If it's happy, I will relax. Now, it's clear to the world that Governor Obaseki is happy with the way the presidency and the APC governors are handling the matter. So now, as governor, they're happy now. It is stupid for me now to go on social media to start doing any hiding. You notice for some days now, I've been very calm. And I've also told my followers, don't attack Adams Shomole. Don't attack people that are ready to allow peace reign in Edo State politics. But go after people like Christos Ogewoyi that has paid one boy called Harry Potter. People like pastor that their boys are still there. We can use our platform to criticize those ones, to reduce the popularity they don't even have. But for comrade's body language is clear. The man is tired of this fight. I told her, I said, I can't come to Abuja. Osawa digging, Shomole's PA called me. Talk. I say, I can't see comrade. It's too late. Governor go there, Benin, or there Abuja. I will not come back. After maybe somebody don't rub my hand, I will not come back to Benin. I say, yes, let's see. Hey, can't we settle this matter? I said, this one has been infected.
Coronavirus.
No. Today, see where we did today. So, this stranded EPM members elect is clear that Ariave no offer on a free accommodation again. Nobody they do politics without they hope say reward good day. Now for almost 8 months, I've been more than 8 months now. The man has been responsible say maybe when time reach, you know, say this man Ayari don't try, may they give a ticket, which Ayari we know cannot even win his ward. Not to say one win in the Oredo or the entire local government. Now it's very clear that from Monday, now the hotel manager called the knock say, I'm sorry, this is a letter. The cost of the letter. Wait till you change. You change the manager. We just do another manager. Say, I'm the new manager of the Promise Hotel. Please, I want to, sir. When you go, no. Call your when you call Jerry, see shop. Then I'll call you. Use another number. Call the new manager. Say, have you communicated to them? Yes, I said they are. Tell them I'm not in the coffee. Tell them go and show my money. Chase them out. They don't have ready to pay. Chase them out. So it don't late. It don't late. And see, this fight that our party leaders have, His Excellency Governor Obaseki, is supposed to be a lesson. I believe some of us have learned from this fight. I personally have learned from this fight. May I tell you what I don't learn? I know and that is one thing I have learned from this fight. That I know and no matter what anybody beg do you. If people beg you, people when you big pass beg you, people when big pass you beg you, you will rest. Because the game way you will do, it does okay. Now you know, you never offend person before, you never beg. People will pass you, they will not come after you. Now what will happen for this fight? People when Gio talk to, when Oshomole and Gio they respect, when they don't try to prevail the Mama Daura, the Abakari, the Dangote, the people for BJ, big men, when you don't even know, we don't try to resolve this matter. They can't get where this man, they try to resolve this matter. What did they happen? And they can't take side with the governor. And we saw what happened for Abuja last week now. So we don't need to call hit up the politics again. So those guys that are stranded in Abuja, it never late. You guys can start doing something in Abuja. Look for corner shop, look for money, set up business. Since people have decided to relocate from Edo, we are locals. We there, we don't get where they run to go. Now our state with this, we'll join the government repair. Look for something to do. If now one of them get motor, I believe some of us still get small thing for Naza. Buy Corolla. Start doing Uber. Start doing Uber. Taxify, register.
Not below.
You know, it never late. Before the judge decide, before the court decide, be doing something because you must pay bills. You must pay bills. And I also want to send this message to Comrade Adams Oshomole, the reinstated national chairman of our party. Sir, this life na per head. This life na per head. Nobody feel like you pass your children. Nobody feel like you pass your mama. Nobody feel like you pass your wife. All these people, they are not your friends. They are not your friends, sir. Oga, in your quiet time, sit down and check from Igodo to Abbas Brahma to Ogemoyi. Who never insult you among all these people? Who never fight you? The only people who never fight you now, Philip Schreiber, Bryce Sarodogi, Godino Baseki. People like Asemu Jeswa, Anna Bato Baze too. That will help your government for 8 years. Sit down. These guys, they're just pushing you just for their selfish interest because they can't do any other thing outside politics. So please, just call them. It's very clear. They've seen your body language. Don't deceive yourself. Don't deceive them. Because some of them, they already made all the information, but they're just going to say about you. They're already reaching out. They don't call already. They don't wait for you. They are desperados. They're not waiting for you. I don't want to make sure they're already calling. They're already calling Oga Charitepo. They are calling by Sarodogi. They are calling to say, Hafana, I want to see governor. I want to see governor. I don't win. But we need to move forward. We need to rebuild our party. Now you want people where help the party survive this fight. Yes, well done. and they still get the capacity to rebuild the party, not build now. Because they are trying to come in, they want to come from friend. Later, we'll come and say we want trust them. Then last minute they will not do anti-party. That was what Odubo and Sanosage did. They didn't work for Governor Obaseki in 2016. Oshomole knows these things. Yeah. And not be ever for near this brief and for they say for mobilize there. They didn't work for us. That's why they didn't work for Obaseki to that's why they are ready to support anything that will destroy the government. They are not part of it. Odubo is still bitter that 2016 Oshomole not give a ticket. So call them. Call them. Sir, just call them and talk to them. We will continue. We will support you if we see difference. We will support you. We will support you. You will do 8 years for that your position. We need to make sure say our own. Our own. Everybody know where you own. If you value your job, what like people value their own job now? You value your office as national chairman. Governor still value your office as governor of the state. That's how it be. That's how it be. Nobody interest in supersede the other one. Everybody get your own. So, sir, they busy, they Miriam Abubakar, they go there. Now, where food there that they find? Where food there? Comrade Adams Oshomole. Now, where food there that they find? If they are not getting money from you, you won't see them there. Sir, this fight is no longer necessary. Don't let them push you. And for those that are calling me, say they put secretariat for the who secretariat audio secretariat. And they rent Buhari campaign office. Now they rent her, they no get the key. Audio, all the address are audio. Now Facebook for the open secretariat. Why will not see them do press conference for the secretariat? Why will not see them raise APC flag for the secretariat? Why would not say we all the drive the call? We say the place you are full. What are they doing? They say that they do APC meeting. Nothing, not like secretariat. Don't let them deceive you now. Nothing. They are just lying. Nothing. I drive past the yesterday. Yeah, I drive past the yesterday. It's under lock and key. The building, the key they will go. They government house. On the governor organized Buhari campaign. That secretariat is with the state government. I know if you even there with Asamo Jesu or the party chairman. So nothing like that. They already know. People like Pastor Sayamu, when they are politically homeless, they already know that they have lost this battle. And Oshomole will start for podium by the grace of God, campaign for Governor Obaseki's re-election.
Yes, sir.
Till then, as we speak, check all Oshomole's video. You will never see where Oshomole attacked governor.
Yes.
Go and check.
He has never called him a thief.
Never.
A this, like never. The way he did to Iseyamu.
No. The only video we had is the one he said against Iseyamu and Arabian.
Yes.
As we speak all through this crisis, the man still respect the office of the governor. He no ever insult governor or call say governor this, governor that. No. Now these rascals, and then they do a press conference, they talk anyhow. So also let me talk to my brother Siri Oshomole, the first one of Adams Oshomole. Please, you need to go and see your father. Don't allow all these wolves, don't allow all these people destroy what people have labored to build. Go and see your father. People, Oshomole Mama, go see your son. These people, they will push him. See where they don't push and reach now. Where were they? They're theirs. They were helpless. They couldn't save the man. They couldn't save the man. When I saw Oshomole's video apologizing, I was touched. And I didn't blame him. I blame people like Julius Yomeri. I blame people like Anema Bass. I blame all these greedy people who surround down. We don't advise Sam. We don't tell us, hey, no, this fight is not necessary. This man is your man. So, my Edo people, Governor Obaseki's re-election is sealed and confirmed. It's 4+4. So, I will say, governors, all these governors, when they say they want Obaseki's ticket re-election is automatic ticket, they couldn't save Abode. Let me tell you the difference between Obaseki and Abode. During that election, Buhari was running. 17 APC governors, they were in the ballot. 17. Ambode was running. Buhari get your wahala in re-election to face. The 17 APC governors get their own re-election to face. So they only say about say, "How they work out for your own? My own. See where we don't do a show. See where we don't work out show." So everybody carry your mamu. Yeah. Everybody to your tent, oh Israel. Yeah. Everybody carry your load. Buhari tried to intervene. Tinubu carry. That was why when Oshomole was trying to bring that Godomigodo people to House Assembly. Now to carry them before. Tinubu carry all the senators, House of Rep members, carry them go meet Buhari for Aso Rock. The Tinubu was always saying, I'm just a leader. These people elected me, they made me leader.
Yeah.
I can't take a sole decision.
Yeah.
So if somebody makes peace with them, now they say format, and then we carry come and go. They'll say, Oshomole does not have issue with the governor, the governor should settle with his party people. Now they say format, but we don't already read the Lagos format, so that why we feel easily take on them. He told us, well, that's why they reached there. All the senators from Lagos say, sir, we don't matter about it. All the House of Reps, all of them. Sir, just let's see. These are people that controls their respective local government constituencies. Tinubu cannot be everywhere. Buhari will not be there. They go take casino and go vote. Yeah, come on. Is there anything we can do? I say, sir, please, we are too busy. We are mobilizing for your re-election. We want to make sure we deliver Southwest. So now everybody get yoked to Kalo. Now I'm trying to beg. After 2 days, about 39, only 2. I think Lagos has 41 as well, members. 42 or 40. About 39. Tinubu took all the House Assembly members to
Buhari.
All of them say Buhari. Buhari say, what happened they do now? No, just Mr. President, who elect him. Nobody was not standing alone with just 2 assembly members and 1 commissioner. The deputy governor already say, no shit. I'm on the conference. As he said, Buhari no fit help. Yeah, we fight. And they class, hey, you don't fit to know you your own disturb Buhari no. Now, in a no case today, 18 APC governors, they are not in the ballot. It's Edo before Ondo. Yeah. The 18 of them, they don't go to Oshomole for re-election. Sure. The ones where they do first day, they know how they take home. So they feel easily wade into the matter. And the push when they take for Kebbi governor's law 2 days ago, say no, it's automatic ticket. We don't know these people that we are bringing. So the 18 of them can say no, these are our own. He's the chairman APC Governors Forum. We won't let him go down. Not possible. The chairman is the vice chairman. The chairman is Kebbi governor. Bagudu. Governor is the vice chairman of Progressive Governors Forum. No, we won't let you mess him up. Now why the fight be like this? So difference day. Big difference day. Yeah. Now just 2 states, Edo, Ondo. Not be said the one where 17 governors day. President Buhari don't run for second term. No. Benuari Buhari. So anybody nobody down here Buhari go ya. Why not get to go ask anybody for another help again? So that's what I say Tinubu slow. Before this guy think Jagaban don't enter Aso Rock and he go Jagaban. No level. I'm ready, huh? You want So everybody now they try to play careful. Buhari is not running for second term. Buhari can easily say, go and deliver Obaseki and it's done. Since that was all played in Kogi, they actually wanted to remove Bello. But Buhari gave instruction. And then they said Buhari remove Bello and they're going to campaign for Bello. Because Buhari was not in the ballot. They don't already do Buhari election pass. So there's a difference between Edo and Lagos. So I just break them down for now today. So please, for those that are calling me, not like secretariat. If they say they do secretariat, please, I challenge Okewonyi, Ariabe, Debiri, Odubu, Izeyamu to go do press conference for the new secretariat. Let them hang the APC flag and Nigeria flag. Let them call channels, call AIT, call TVC, call NTA, raise APC flag and say this is our new secretariat. Let Imuse come to Edo, call a press conference, say I am David Imuse, I am the enemy of Edo State. I challenge them. I will look for money to pay for the press conference. At least I can afford ITV. Now they ITV, I'll give you ITV. Then I go help you use social media to do live broadcast. I challenge them. Now, on Facebook, when they do open secretariat, show us for grant. Show us for grant. So, I do people on my short video. This morning, Obaseki's re-election is now 100%. Obaseki's ticket in APC is now 100%. So please, all the people who not feel work outside politics, I use Almighty God beg now. Wanna go work. Oshomole not ready for this fight again. I beg. Nobody should push him into this battle again. Please give him the room to go and make peace with the governor. Because when Oyegu was national chairman, Oshomole was governor. Oyegu never came to Edo one day to call APC meeting. Now only when Oshomole call meeting, Oyegu will be invited to attend as the national chairman. That is how it's supposed to be. The governor is leader of the party in the state. He will call a meeting and call the national chairman. National chairman, when they do meeting, was okay. I don't also taxi when I fit come. They feel even because of a reschedule the meeting for him to attend. But the governor presides. That also happened all through Oshomole's 8 years in office. So when they say the governor, doctor say, allow this man run the state. So that my short video will be done this morning. Thank you for watching. Please share this broadcast, send it to all your friends so that they hear the latest. And God bless you. Bye.